Hello guys, in today's videos I will show you how you can connect the Firestore database to your Angular project. So let's jump in, and first what you need to have is to integrate firstly Angular with the Firebase. If you don't know how to do it, I will attach the video inside the description so you can find out. Now we have a Firebase, we open the console, and inside the console we have Firestore database. And that's basically it. We click create a database. Yeah, simple. We don't need like this is paid. We don't need, we will go free. Europe, because I'm in Europe, and that's it. This step basically doesn't matter. I will show you later, but we will choose the test mode here. And boom, we already create the database and we're ready. I will show you local host project. That nothing much, nothing special, like just dummy app. But authorization and authentication is done, and integration with the Firebase. If you need to set up or don't know how to set up, you can find it out in the link below. So we go to the application actually, and what we do, we create a new folder. Let's say database service, and there we add new file, customer repository service. Yes, we add customer repository Firestore. Yes, and then we do yes, import the Firestore Firebase app from our module. We do injectable, provide in root, import this. Okay, and what we do, private collection name customers, and we actually got everything. We can now do the method for adding a customer. We need, yes, we need the model here for it. It's yeah, ID, name, email, phone, and also we will need customer request, the request for adding it. So we will don't have ID in the moment when we want to add the customer, so that's why this doesn't have ID. So here we pass customer, add customer request. Okay, we do try, import those methods, static methods, return string, and basically that's it. Do we missing something here? Injectable, what's happening? Not there. There. Okay. Then we go to our dashboard component. We inject customer repository service, and actually we add here customers DTO, and we add that method. We will add customer, dummy customer, one dummy customer, add customer request. Second, ported. Okay, perfect. And we go here inside our UI. We need to add the button, add customer. Go to dashboard. What's wrong here? Missing the import. Parentness not closed. And if we go to the app, we have a button add customer. If we open the console, just to check the networks, when we add customer, yes. And what's happening here, we refresh database, and yeah, John Doe is there. So we're back to the coding here. we should show these customers here in a list just to have it when we add. Yeah, customer name, email, phone. Delete customer already suggested. Okay, we can add. We need to add delete method and read get method to fetch the customers. So we do here get customers. Similar, we got the collection name, get docs, import, and delete customer. Also, we add that method. Perfect. So we have base CRUD operation done. I will not handle the error at the moment. We go to the dashboard and here we have the lead customer. We also connect that. The lead customer. Nice. It's filtering correctly, but not handling the error. And also in the engine init, we load the customers. What? Yes, but I think I forgot something in the no, it's mapped properly. Okay. And this is the trick here how to map, because I will show you here. We have a this ID, and this inside the customer we doesn't have, this customer doesn't have ID, but this document have an ID. So in the response here we get that doc, this is a document, we get that document here and we map that document to this customer DTO and attach all the data with this document ID. So our customer ID will be filled with the document ID. So perfect for this scenario. And yeah, we try to delete, it's deleted. Let's check it out. It's deleted here. Once again, we try to add customer. It's added in the UI, in the database. Nice. So we try the load if works. Yeah. And that's it. What else I want to mention in this tutorial is the rules. It's good to mention. We have now these rules, so everyone can read, write, and everything until the 9th of January next year. It's around like 20 days. So we need to add some authorization here, so no everyone can use this request and could spam our database. So first, and basically what's, let's say, first step of authorization, if we go request, we do the request as we do here, request out null. So that means that only authenticated user with the Firebase can write this file. So if we add like this, if false an update, publish, sorry, publish, no, if I forgot. So we publish, we try to reload, and no customers are loaded, and there's an error. So we add just for the authenticated user to be able to write this. And this is a basic trick to how to just authenticate that no one, I mean just specific user can write to the documents. And there's a lot of tricks here that you can do for certain documents, that only users with certain documents can write it with certain ID, and you can compare the ID from the token and that kind of stuff. But now I will just show you the basic tricks. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, yeah, support me, subscribe or like. Bye bye.